Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to see your followers on Snapchat. So just tap on my Snapchat account and move in my profile, and which is on the top left corner. Just tap on it and you will see, and the top is my account and the right is public profile. So just tap on public profile to see your followers on Snapchat. So below your username you will see the 57 followers I have. So this is how you can see your followers on Snapchat. So in public profile and below your username you will be find the followers quantity. So it's very easy and simple. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.